The most time-consuming part of any exterior detail is always the wheels. Today, I want to show you how you can safely and efficiently get your wheels clean every time. We always start with the wheels first because they're going to be the dirtiest. We don't want to wash the car and then end up with dirt from our wheels right back onto our clean paint. The first step in our wheel cleaning process, we're going to rinse the wheels off so we can get off as much of the surface dirt as possible. Once they're all rinsed down, we're going to use our preferred wheel and tire cleaner, which is Dark Fury, diluted 4:1. Starting with the tires, we want to make sure that we are removing those layers of tire dressing to get them prepped for us to dress them again. For this, we're going to use a Tough Shine tire brush. This does a fantastic job at agitating the sidewalls and getting them nice and clean. For the wheel, we're going to start with an auto fiber wheel mitt to allow us to get behind each and every spoke. To clean the barrels, we're going to use an easy detail brush. If you have gloss black wheels, you can use an auto fiber barrel blade that has a nice microfiber head so you don't scratch your wheels. This also lets us get behind the spokes and allows us to clean the caliper relatively easily depending on the wheel design. For the spokes, we're going to use a detail factory brush. This is going to let us clean the entire wheel face and even let us clean the caliper as well. Rinse off the wheel and then inspect it to see if it needs to be cleaned again. You may even want to move the car forward or backward to make sure you didn't miss a spot. To dry it off, we're going to use an auto fiber dreadnought towel. This is our preferred drying towel for paint and for wheels. To make this process a whole lot easier next time, we're going to apply a ceramic coating to these wheels. This is going to allow us to be able to clean off more dirt with just our rinsing process, so we have to spend less time agitating. Give us a call now for a quote on ceramic coating your wheels.